The third exercise, what we're going to do is we're going to focus on penetration. We're doing exactly what we have been doing, but we're going to go from our 12 gauge material down a couple of gauges to our 16 gauge. You're going to notice the difference in thickness. Now what's going to happen here as you're moving through the weld zone, you are going to see more penetration into the material depending on the speed and rate you are going. You're going to set the machine for the thickness of the material, but when you're done, you're going to flip the material over and you're going to take a look at it. Now, if the opposite side looks like somebody has welded on it, that's an indication that you have got too much penetration. What you want to see is you want to see right in the middle of that weld, all the way through the weld, is it just coming through to the other side? That would be the indicator that you went at a good rate. If you have too much, you've gone too slow. Let's go demonstrate.